Hello friends, see you again with
Gary Channel.
How are you? I hope you are well. This time we will assemble the vehicle, friends. What vehicle? Do you know what vehicle this will be? Let's wrap. This is the part. This is vehicle head. This is a vehicle body. This is vehicle garbage can. This is the wheel. This is the bolt. And this is a screwdriver. Let's wrap. We attach the head to the body. Install the bulb. Next, we install the garbage can. Install the bulb. Then we install the wheel. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. And finally, we attach the front. Install the bulb. Wow, it's finished! Do you know what vehicle is this? Yes, you're right! This is a sanitary agency vehicle. The name is garbage truck. Don't break your toys, friends. Take care and save it so you can play it again. See you again. Bye bye.